fun!
Flipper Big Button Remote. The Flipper Remote is designed senior-friendly with large color-coded tactile buttons for easy use. Only 3 functions: on-off, channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down, and mute. It's the perfect gift for caregivers, elderly loved ones with dementia or Alzheimer's, or someone with low and impaired vision. The only remote you'll need. You can easily program up to 25 of your favorite channels so you can get to the content you desire, making it easy to cycle through your channels and eliminates the hassle of searching through hundreds of useless channels you'd never watch. Philips Remote Control Multi-Device Control. Operate up to 3 different audio and video components. Best remote code library. This universal remote works with all major brands and supports thousands of the latest audio/video equipment. Does not work with Roku streaming sticks, Fire TV sticks, or other RF streaming devices. This remote comes pre-programmed for Roku and Samsung TVs.